You know, you're not going to be on with us if you don't have Mr. Iger joining your board. No offense to you. You're doing
No,
great, it seems. But I'm curious. Give me a little background here as to how you got really one of the most prominent businessmen of the last 20 years to make a decision to join your board.
Yeah, absolutely. So there's really two things here. I think we were introduced to Bob Iger just about a month and a half ago through some of our investors. And the two things here are Bob is, like many of us, looking to spend his limited time working on things that are bettering the world, on sustainability, on a better, cleaner food system, things that really matter and move the needle for the next generation. It's that, and it's the fact that we're a young company and we're young executives. Parimal Gandhi and I, my co-founder, started the company at age 22, just out of college pretty much. And yet here we are today. We've been able to bring in partners and investors like Temasek Holdings out of Singapore, Horizons out of Hong Kong, and CPPIB. And we're on a really good trajectory right now, working with some of the largest food and dairy companies in the world through a B2B model, all of which I think appealed to Bob's desire to get more into mentorship as well and start helping startups like Perfect Day to achieve our ambitious goals.
So it's your expectation Mr. Iger is going to be more than just a board member, and I would assume an investor, that he's actually going to be helpful in terms of mentoring you guys and giving you advice, I guess, as many board members would choose to do in a private company?
Yeah, well, I can't speak to the actual time involvement that Bob will be able to give to the company. It is our hope that we can do more than just build a company with strong financial returns, but can in fact build something that truly becomes a globally beloved and recognized brand, and something that truly moves the needle for doing the right thing in the world and becoming a strong global corporate citizen.
All right, so you're the most well-funded protein fermentation company in the world. You've raised, I think, at least over $360 million, as you said, from some very well-heeled investors. You got one product right now, is that right? Ice cream. What can we expect here, and what does the market look like?
Absolutely. Well, in a meaningful sense, our first product isn't really the ice cream so much as it is the protein. And what we're doing is developing a way to make the same protein identical to what's found in cow's milk that people have loved for 10,000 years. But we're doing so through fermentation in an animal-free process that's sustainable, kinder, greener, and hits all the right consumer trends. Now, we've commercialized ice cream so far. By the end of the year, we'll have 3 strong partners in the ice cream category. And next year, you'll see us move into the cheese category. The category here is growing and is so exciting in terms of the animal-free side of what consumers are looking for. One of our customers, Brave Robot, started this year in 2020. By next year, they're already confirmed to be in almost 5,000 stores. So it's unbelievable the amount of growth and excitement that we're seeing from companies big and small to make a new kind of dairy possible with Perfect Day.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.